Movie lovers, this is not a drill. Christopher Nolan is officially coming to India. Yes, the Oscar-winning filmmaker behind Oppenheimer, Interstellar, Inception, and the Dark Knight trilogy is set to attend the Mumbai premiere of his next film, The Odyssey, making this one of the biggest Hollywood events India has ever hosted. And here's the part that makes it even bigger. Nolan won't be coming alone. According to the official announcement from Universal Pictures International, the filmmaker will be joined by Matt Damon, Tom Holland, and Oscar-winning producer Emma Thomas for the Mumbai premiere ahead of the film's worldwide release on July 17th. That's right, one of the most celebrated directors in modern cinema, one of Hollywood's biggest movie stars, one of the world's most popular young actors, and one of the industry's most successful producers, all heading to Mumbai for a film premiere. Now that's a headline. What's particularly significant about this visit is that it marks Christopher Nolan's first ever Indian premiere. Despite enjoying a massive fan following in India for years, Nolan has never attended a film launch event in the country before. So this isn't just another stop on a press tour, it's a first. And that's why the announcement has generated so much excitement among movie fans. The premiere will take place at PVR Icon IMAX at Phoenix Palladium in Mumbai and will form part of the film's official global promotional tour. In fact, Mumbai has now been placed alongside major international premiere cities like London, Paris, and New York. Think about that for a moment. For one of the year's biggest Hollywood releases, Mumbai is being treated as one of the key global destinations. That alone says a lot about the importance of Indian audiences today. Now, let's talk about the film itself. The Odyssey is written and directed by Christopher Nolan and is based on Homer's legendary epic poem. The story follows Odysseus and his perilous 10-year journey home after the fall of Troy, making it one of the most famous adventure tales ever written. The project is also significant because it's Nolan's first film since Oppenheimer, which became a global phenomenon and went on to win 7 Academy Awards, including Best Picture and Best Director. Naturally, expectations for The Odyssey are sky high, and Nolan is once again pushing technological boundaries. According to the announcement, The Odyssey has been shot entirely using IMAX cameras with newly developed technology, making it the first feature film ever captured completely in the IMAX format. That's a huge milestone for cinema technology, and exactly the kind of ambitious filmmaking Nolan has become known for. The cast is equally impressive. Alongside Matt Damon and Tom Holland, the film also stars Anne Hathaway, Robert Pattinson, Lupita Nyong'o, Samantha Morton, Zendaya, and Charlize Theron. It's the kind of ensemble that immediately gets audiences talking. And now Indian fans will get the added excitement of seeing some of the team arrive in Mumbai before the film's release. Today, Mumbai is part of that same conversation. And when a filmmaker like Christopher Nolan chooses India as an official stop on a global launch tour, it's a clear acknowledgement of the passion and scale of the Indian movie audience. So the headline here is massive. Christopher Nolan is officially bringing The Odyssey to Mumbai for its India premiere. Joining him will be Matt Damon, Tom Holland, and producer Emma Thomas. The event will take place ahead of the film's July 17th worldwide release and marks Nolan's first ever film premiere in India. For movie fans, this isn't just another red carpet event, it's a landmark cinema moment, and Mumbai is right at the center of it.